Hey guys, coming at you with another YouTube tutorial. I don't even know. Is that what we're calling it? I'm going through my makeup bag today, my travel makeup bag. Anything that I take with me on the go because I am bored, stuck in this house. I am used to working like 40 plus hours, but I'm stuck in this house because of the quarantine, just like you guys. So let's make another video, right? There's only so much dishes and yard work that you can do. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I take with me in my to-go bag, in my purse, of course. First off, let's start with the bag. Super cute. I've had it for maybe 3 months now, I think. I got it for my birthday or Christmas. I cannot remember, but my husband got it for me. BH brand, very durable, long lasting. You can actually just clean it out with some soap and water if you need to. You know, sometimes I have makeup spill in there. So of course you'll need to do that every now and then if you have those incidents like I do. So let's go ahead and start with the contains in the inside, of course. Great, that always happens. Okay, so let's start with lip products. And I feel like I have a lot of lip products in there just because I'm always either moisturizing my lips, putting lip gloss on, or a lip stain, or maybe I just like some glitter on there. I don't know. I feel like I always have some type of lip product on me. So I'm going to start with the Luminess lip stain, and it's in the shade Desert Rose. Very gorgeous pinky color. And it actually dries on matte, and it can last for 18 plus hours. So it's definitely a long lasting one, but that is the shade there for you guys. Like I said, it is a pink tone, so it does last quite a while. Very pretty, but they have like 10 different shades for you guys to choose from on the site, but they all have that long lasting wear. You can even wear them throughout that. So this next one that I have is part of the Lion King collection. These are actually on sale for $7.99 right now. So if you haven't got it yet, I would definitely go to my page and snag it. I can't believe $7.99. There's 2 different shades for this one to choose from. There is a lip balm on there for you guys. We actually have some like liquid lipsticks also that you can choose. Those are also $7.99, but this is the one that I have in my bag today. So this one is called Pounce, and it's actually just a matte lipstick, but it is so smooth, hydrating when it goes on. That's the shade right there. Just a tan color. I just wanted a nude shade of lipstick that I always keep on me. And like I said, it's very hydrating, so you can actually use it as like a lip balm if you wanted to. Okay, so the next thing I have in my purse is a lip finisher. This is just our standard color. It's got tons of glitter in it, so you can actually put it over anything. If you're putting it over like a regular lipstick, it's definitely going to stick there and it's not going to break down the lipstick at all. But if you're putting it over like a lip stain, it is going to break it down a little bit, but just the wear of the lipstick really. So you're not going to be able to wear it for as long, of course. But this one here is just that glitter shade, and you can see that it added tons of glitter over it, but I absolutely love it. And that's what I have on today, right over that Desert Rose color as well. So the next thing that I have is our lip jelly. This is super hydrating, and it's exactly like it says what the name is. It's jelly. Let's see here. Brush. So what I do is usually just stir up like a small section of it, and you can see it's very jelly-like, very pooly. But it really just takes like that much that's on the tip there, just for your lips. Just takes maybe like 30 seconds to a minute for it to activate and actually start kicking in to plump your lips, hydrate them. You can feel like a little bit of a tingle on there, but nothing that's going to be like super dramatic and like hurt your lips or anything like that. I've actually used other lip plumpers in the past, but this one by far is the best. It's super glossy, hydrating like I said, and it really doesn't burn your lips like a lot of the other ones do. There's a little bit of a tingle, but not super tingly like the other ones are, so it's really nice. All right, so next thing I have here, of course, travel size lotion. Can't go anywhere without lotion, right? So this one here, I don't know, I just usually keep any kind. I don't know. I don't really buy any particular brand of lotion. I have probably like 5 different bottles around me right now, like I said, because I don't really buy any particular brand. But this one is just a small travel size one that I actually picked up for myself. Tweezers. Can't go anywhere without tweezers. And blending brush, of course. This one is actually just by BH, I think. It's actually the one that came with the makeup bag, I think it is. So yeah, it's just really soft, and I just use it as like a normal blending brush in case, I don't know, I'm just weird and I have freak things happen to me. If my eye is itchy and then I mess up my makeup and I'm like, crap, I don't have any of my makeup on me. So I just keep the brush to kind of fix it here and there. I don't know, weird things happen to me. I'm weird like that. All right, another brush, but this one I actually use as a eyebrow filler in. So I use this color here, which I actually have in here as well. This one's actually a eyeshadow and lip palette that's from Luminess. There's 4 different shades of each. This one you actually get as like a free gift when you try the airbrush machine through them. And this shade I actually just use the dark one here to fill in my eyebrows, and that's actually what I have on today. I don't really fill in my eyebrows too much, just because they're kind of full already, but I do like to have that nice like curvature there, and like a nice straight line, of course, just to give it a little more dimension. So that's what I use for my eyebrows, and I keep that with me just in case my eyebrows start to look funky by the end of the day, because like I said, I usually work about 40+ hours a week, meaning that I am there for like 8 or plus hours a day. So you never know, you know, what you're running around and how your makeup's gonna look, but for the most part, it definitely does keep up. Definitely the airbrushing keeps up. That's why I absolutely love the foundation. I'm so happy that I switched to the Luminous airbrush machine, just because it lasts all day long, all through my shift. I can be running around and it'll look so good by the end of the day. But eyebrows and stuff, if I accidentally like swipe it or anything, then, you know, I could just go back in and fix it. But for the most part, I really don't do that too often throughout the day. The lip product is probably the most stuff that I use through my makeup bag throughout the day, I have to say. All right, so Eyelash Curler, of course, just a standard brand. I really don't even know what brand this is. I just like it because it matches my bag, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna throw it in there because it matches my bag. But I usually use this before I put mascara on, unless I'm using fake lashes. Then I'll do it before, put my lashes on, tons of mascara, and I'll curl it again. Ton more mascara, of course, just to make them look more natural and fuller. So yeah, keep that on me. So next what I have is a liquid eyeliner, of course, and this I really don't keep in my bag too often, but I just so happened to use liquid eyeliner the other day, so I threw it in there just in case I needed it to touch up the wings or anything that are on the sides. But this by far is probably the best liquid eyeliner I have ever found. The tip of this is just so smooth and velvety. You can get such precise precision lines with this eyeliner. I love it. I think it's on sale right now for like $20. And then sometimes they actually have them on sale for like buy 2 and then, I'm sorry, buy 1 and you get the other free, or like 2 for $20. But these are the lines that I went ahead and drew for you guys just to show you a demonstration of how thick and how thin you can actually get them, because like I said, they're really like precise lines that you can get with that. It is amazing. Absolutely love this. All right, so the very last thing, of course, that I have in my makeup bag is Distraction Mascara. You know I use that every day of my life. This one's just a travel size one, so it's smaller than the regular size, but same tip as the normal one. Like I said, this one's a travel size one. This one's actually the normal size. So it's just nice to keep on it. This one I got, I think, with a deal, like a wink and a kiss. Sometimes you can get like lipstick with a travel size mascara, as well as like a deal for like 20 bucks or like 15, something like that. It's such an amazing deal. They have such good deals on my site for you guys to check out. But that's everything that's in my travel size makeup bag that I take with me on the go anywhere I go. But thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.